Wave interference is the phenomenon that occurs when two waves meet while traveling along the same medium. The interference of waves causes the medium to take on a shape that results from the net effect of the two individual waves upon the particles of the medium. As it turns out, when waves are at the same place at the same time, the amplitudes of the waves simply add together, and this is really all we need to know. However, the consequences of this are profound and sometimes startling.
If we add these two waves together, point by point, we end up with a new wave that looks like the previous two waves but has a larger amplitude. This situation, where the resultant wave is bigger than either of the two original, is called constructive interference. The waves are adding together to form a bigger wave. You may be thinking that this is pretty obvious and natural. Of course, the sum of two waves will be bigger than each wave on its own. However, carefully consider the next situation. Again, where two waves with the same frequency are traveling in the same direction. Let's see what happens when we add these two waves together. When the first wave is up, the second wave is down. And when the first wave is down, the second wave is up. In both cases, the sum of the two waves is zero. In fact, all points on these waves add up to zero, effectively canceling each other out. This is called destructive interference.